Welcome to Rob on Holiday. Today we're visiting Bolton Abbey in the heart of Yorkshire. Some great sights to see here, so let's get cracking. If you're visiting Bolton Abbey by car, there are a number of car parks in the village you can use. We parked in the car park next to the post office, shown on the map on screen. You can park here for £15 a day or £12 if you book in advance online. To get to the Abbey, you exit the car park next to the post office and turn right, walking past the main village green until you reach the stone archway leading into the Abbey grounds. If you head out of the car park, see that hole in the wall there? That's where we're going, down to the Abbey. Technically a priory, Bolton Abbey was founded in 1154 and closed in 1539 as a result of King Henry VIII's dissolution of the monasteries. One of the things that Bolton Abbey is famous for is the stepping stones across the river. Done this a few times when I was younger, seen lots of kids skipping across it. But unfortunately there's a missing stepping stone, so you can't do it anymore. But having said that, you wouldn't be doing it anyway in an English summer where it's been nothing but rain. So I think the best thing to do today is to stand on the bridge and admire the stepping stones. We're in the Abbey itself now, and it's a beautiful location overlooking the river and the weir there. Entry to Bolton Abbey is free, so once you've paid for your car parking space, you're good to go. Attached to the Abbey ruins is the Priory Church of St Mary and St Cuthbert, which is also free to visit, although there is a donation box if you would like to contribute. We just had a walk around Bolton Abbey. It's really interesting. I think it's quite a small abbey. I mean, obviously it would have been big in its heyday, and there's a little plaque to show you a reconstructed abbey, what it was like in its heyday, servants' quarters outside the main abbey. There's also the Priory Church, which you can go in, put a small donation in and look around. I don't think it's quite open yet because we're here so early, but it's a very nice church inside. And I think the best thing about Bolton Abbey is the view. I mean, it's situated just above the river here. It's a place full of serenity. It's really nice. Now we're going to go for a walk along the river and see what's further upstream. The walk along the right side of the River Wharfe is quite tough, with lots of hills to climb along the way, so make sure you're in reasonable health if you're going to attempt it. Oh, there's a lot of up and downs on this side of the river, but finally I can see the bridge that leads across to the Cavendish Pavilion and hopefully a coffee and a cake. I'm ready for it. Thank goodness for umbrellas, eh? Umbrellas in the British summer. But the food here at the Cavendish Pavilion at Bolton Abbey is really nice. Had potted cream and jam on a scone, a nice cappuccino, others have had hot chocolates. A bit on the pricey side, but it's one of those where you can tell the quality is really nice, so it came at just the right time on our walk. The rain's eased off now, so I think it's time to make a break for it. Say a break, it's probably going to take us half an hour to walk back, but I think there might be some interesting things to see on the way back as well. The walk along the left side of the river is generally flatter and more relaxing, although there is a set of steps that you'll need to climb near the end to get back up onto the main road. At the top of the steps you'll find the Cavendish Memorial Fountain and some fantastic bird's eye views of Bolton Abbey and the river below. From Bolton Abbey at the bottom end of the estate to Barn Bridge at the top, it's nearly 3.5 miles of walking trails on both sides of the river, but it's also worth mentioning there's 4 car parks in total. We're parked in the Bolton Abbey car park, which is at the bottom of the estate. Then there's the Riverside car park here, there's the Strid, and then the Barden Bridge car park at the top of the trail. So you've got plenty of choice, and we've just walked through the Riverside car park. It's absolutely massive and well paved, so you're not going to have a problem parking. The walk back on this side of the river is really good because you've got lots of viewpoints. For example, we just went past one that had you could look on the Abbey. This one looks down the river into the bridge that goes across the river near the Abbey. It's a lot more user-friendly, shall we say, this path than the path on the other side. On the far side of the river, as you would have seen from the video, there's lots of ups and downs, and it really is quite a treacherous trail, or it would be if it was very wet. So this side that runs alongside the road is a lot easier to walk on. Just had our lunch here at Tea on the Green at Bolton Abbey. Really nice, £3.95 for a Cornish pasty with a nice chutney and salad. Really good, really nice atmosphere. You can sit inside or outside. Highly recommended. So that was our half day at Bolton Abbey. I mean, you could spend a full day here. There's certainly plenty of walking trails, and that's the thing. It's called Bolton Abbey, but it's as much about the estate as the Abbey itself. It's great to look around the Abbey, but I really enjoyed walking on the paths alongside both sides of the river. There are plenty of refreshment places dotted along the trail, and it's such a beautiful, scenic place that you should definitely come here if you're in this part of Yorkshire. Thanks for watching Rob on Holiday. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and keep an eye out for more great videos.